back to my channel and Happy New Year. I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup look that I came up with. It was actually inspired by a picture that I saw of the ocean. So I was like, I want to recreate a blue vibe makeup look. So this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
I can feel you watch me in the morning. I don't need to give you any warning. Guess I just don't love you lately. Guess I just don't love you lately.
To start off this look, I'm using the Juvia's Place palette, and right here I am using this glitter blue oceany eye shade right here, and this I am applying all over my eyelids and just taking it a little bit in my crease. I'm not taking it too far up in my crease because we are going to be blending it out. So I'm just going in with a heavy hand. I love this eyeshadow palette. It is so pigmented. I would highly recommend this. Right here, taking this brown taupe color eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be blending that into my crease and also into the blue a little bit just to blend everything out. If you guys can see, you guys can tell I am taking it a little bit closer to the bridge of my nose as well, just to contour my nose a little bit as well. And I do go back and forth and fix the blue and fix the pigment of it as well, just because we are blending the other shade to it, so you do want the blue to still pop. So go back and forth and fix it and get your desired look. With the eyeshadow, I am giving myself a cat effect, as you can see. So right here, taking the LA Pro Girl concealer that I did apply before I applied my eyeshadow all over my eye, just to give it a base. So right here, I'm just making a cut crease and using a little bit and just making that line, and then I go in with a brush just to blend it out and make it seamless as possible, even though it is a cut crease. Going in with the Take Me to Ibiza palette, using those two silver glittery eyeshadows and applying that on top of that cut crease concealer that we did, and I absolutely loved, I kid you not, loved how it came out. It was so pretty and shimmery. Right here, I am taking a smaller brush and using the same blue eyeshadow from Juvia's Place palette and fixing the crease a little bit and also blending in brown more. Just going back and forth and fixing it. Right here, I'm using this little palette from LA Colors and using this gold eyeshadow and applying it into my brow bone for a highlight and also in my inner corner tear ducts. Using this amazing Stila eyeshadow in Kitten Karma and applying that over the silver eyeshadow that we did and also in my inner corner tear duct just to make it more glittery and glamified. And then just fixing my crease right here. So going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black and giving myself a wing liner. It's not too crazy of a wing, just a medium-sized wing. Moving on to our waterline, I'm using this black eyeliner by LA Colors and just putting it into my waterline and also my tight line. So I just shut my eyes and glide it and go across. It's like a weird feeling, but it does not hurt. Just don't poke yourself in the eye. So moving on to lashes, I'm not exactly sure what pair of lash this is because I usually just take them out of the container and then they just sit in another container in my bathroom. So I will link them down below and tell you exactly what lash this is. And I swear lashes make a hell of a difference, and I say that every single time, but you guys just look like wow. So right here, I'm just making my usual dots. You guys can skip this step. Going back into the palette and using the same two eyeshadows. I'm putting the brown eyeshadow in the first half of my bottom lash line. And then I'm taking the blue eyeshadow and putting it in the outer end and smoking it out a bit. So you're basically doing what you did to the top eyelid to the bottom and just finishing up my dots right here. going in with the LA Colors mascara and coating my top and bottom lashes with it. I do take the wand and make it like straight and then go on my lashes because it applies easier for me sometimes. It depends on how dry my mascara is, honestly, so just doing that. So moving on to lips finally, I am going to be taking this lip liner by Essence. It's just a soft contouring lip liner. I'm not sure the exact shade, but I will list it down below for you guys. And I'm just overlining my lips with this just a bit and then filling it in as well. I am using this all over my lips as a lipstick. So that is the only thing I use for my lips actually. So just overlining it and filling it in, and I think it looks so pretty as a lipstick. So yeah, you guys. And that was it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, you guys already know to give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below if you are new, and welcome to the family. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, babies. Mwah.